Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Hello everyone, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know guys. Yes, nobody has any issues with the audio or the video guys, right? Uh, Today a lot of classes in one day. Just like one class after the other itself continuously. No issues in that. So can 8th standard students join the boot camp? See, if you are free, you want to learn a new technology, you're most welcome. There's no issues with that. Where's Oscar? What is Oscar doing? Oscar, Oscar. Okay, Oscar is blatantly just like ignoring me. Now I can't do anything about it. Okay, guys. So, what have we learned in our previous class, guys? Can you guys let me know where have we stopped in our previous class? Could you guys let me know where have we stopped in our previous class, guys? Guys, let me know where have we stopped in our previous class, guys. Please let me know. Express.js. So I have provided you guys with the registration link for the next bootcamp. I promise you guys that I will be providing you guys with that. So the next bootcamp, that is the HTML, CSS and JavaScript bootcamp where you will be creating the Disney Plus Hotstar clone. I've already provided you guys the registration link. I've pinned it up in the live chat. So if you guys want to participate in that bootcamp, do complete your pre-registration for the same. Okay, registration for the same itself. Now I'll start off with the class, guys. So today's class, guys, like I've already said, we are going to learn. So last time that we saw, let me open up Replit. I think so. We were using Replit itself in the last class, right? If I'm not wrong, we were using Replit in our last class. If I'm not wrong, right? Let me see. Where is my last? I think so. This is the one that we were working with, if I'm not wrong. Let us see. Yeah, so this is the one that we were working with on our previous class, right, guys? Just make it bigger. I don't want this. I'll open it up in a new tab. Just push this out so that we are able to see the code. I'll just make the size increase. So right over here, guys, we were sending a hello world to our website. Let me just open up your chat section as well so that I'm able to see your chats. So give me a second, guys. I'll just open up your chat section as well. The learn GitHub. I want to get the new class. Yes. Okay. Okay, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Okay. Great. So right over here, guys, yesterday, the last time that we saw this, we were sending the send file. We were just sending hello world. But what if we want to send a HTML file? I don't want to send a hello world itself. I don't want to send a text. I want to send an HTML file itself, guys. Let us do one thing. First of all, let us just create that file. So we'll go into our shell, guys. We'll do ls right over here. We'll go into our intro to express folder itself. So cd intro to express, and we'll go into our file itself, and inside of that folder we are going to create a new file. So touch touch, and we're going to create a file called as index.html. This is the file that we are going to create. We are going to create an HTML file right over here. I'm going to use some simple HTML code right over there, guys. You don't need to understand it. Our aim is to send, instead of sending hello world, I want to send this HTML file right over there. So I will create a basic template, guys. Let me check if the template is available. Good. Get this template available, man. Why do you want to do this? Okay, no issues. Let's create a fast template right over here. HTML. And we are having HTML right over here. Then we will create the head tag. We'll create the body tag, title tag right over here. TITL title. And then my first web. Going to go inside of our head tag, body tag, body by body, Fast and the Furious, not so fast. H1 tag right here, and we'll write this is the HTML file. I just created a simple file, guys, right over here. Nothing too specifically about it. FILE file, which basically is the HTML file. And instead of sending hello world, instead of sending just a text itself, guys, I want to send this hello world. I want to send this index.html file. I want to send an entire file itself. That is my aim. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. I'm going to send an entire file, guys. I don't want to send just an hello world itself. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. So what we're going to do right over here is I'm going to delete this entire portion. And so we are writing response.send. So just writing response.send. I'm going to write response.send file, guys. Okay, I'm going to write response.send file. And this is going to send the file that I want to send. So that is index.html. I think so. Just writing index.html will be fine. So index.html. And this is the file that I want to send. Basically, what I'm doing right over here is instead of sending a word that is hello world to show up on our website, I'm going to send index.html itself. I'm going to send index.html itself. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. The project of front end has already been completed long back inside of the bootcamp itself. Which class are you not attending? Jai Shri Ram, we have already completed the project. We have done the entire bootcamp. You are asking where is the project? Okay. So what we are going to do right over here is that we are going to save it. We are going to go back to our shell. How to run this particular file, guys? Could you guys let me know? How to run this particular file? Could you guys let me know? Rahul, you don't have to tell that answer right now. I'm trying to create curiosity, right? We'll wait for it. That also will come, of course, but we're creating that curiosity right over here. Do not give the answers like that. Great, Rahul, that you actually know about it. It's actually great to see some people who know about it itself. Great, guys. Node index.js, guys, not HTML. Index.js is the file that we want to run. Node index.js, guys. Okay, we'll run that. It will start and it is showing us an error. Are you guys able to see this error, guys? Are you guys able to see this error? Please let me know. Are you guys able to see this error that is coming up on our screen, guys? Rahul understood it. Good, Rahul. I'm very proud of you that you actually knew about it. Now, this error is basically saying that there is a type error. The path must be absolute or specify root to res.send file. So when we were writing res.send file, there is something wrong that happened right over there, guys. So we go back, we are able to see that we have mentioned that, okay, index.html. It is saying that we don't know the entire root of the file. We want to know the exact path to this particular file. Where is this file located? Give me that path. Please try to understand this, guys. You are now working upon a server. This is not your local computer. You are actually working upon a server right over there, guys. So it does not know where this file index.html is present. It has no idea about it. So we need to provide it the exact path to index.html, guys. And to provide that path, we are going to use your __ dir name plus your / index. Let's do one thing. Let us remove all this. We are going to first print. Every time we are going to get this, we are going to print a console.log _ dir name. That is what we are going to do. Whenever we get a get message, okay, whenever we get a get message, we are going to console.log _ dir name. Let us first see what does _ dir name actually contain. We'll go back to our shell. We will stop our server from running. We'll restart our server once again. Okay, our server has started running right over there. As you're able to see, we are getting this. This is what is being printed inside of our console, guys. Whenever we are getting a get request, this is what is getting printed inside of our console. Are you guys able to see this? This is what _ dir name actually contains. This is the path to the index.html file. Wherever the index.html file is present. wherever index.js file is present. So we are writing the code instead of index.js, guys. We are writing our code inside of index.js. Wherever this particular file is present, guys, we don't know where it is present. Wherever it is present, that folder's location, what is the location of that exact folder, what is the path to that exact folder which contains index.js, that is represented by this, guys. Now index.js and index.html are present inside the same folder, right, guys? Index.js and index.html are present inside of the same folder itself, right, guys? Please let me know. Index.js and index.html are present inside of the same folder. So the path to both of them is the same as well. And that is what we are doing inside of right over here, guys. So we are using this when we are writing dir name plus, and then we are appending the index.html, the path to the exact file. This is the file that we want to send. This is the file that we want to send, index.html file. So we are writing the exact path. So underscore dir name, that is the path to that particular folder. And then we are attaching the file at the end, that this is the location of that file that we want to send right over there, guys. So if we are saving this, if we are going back to our shell and reloading the thing itself, so we will stop this. We'll restart it once again. Server started on port 3000. Let us go back to our website and let us reload our page right over here. So as you're able to see, now we are getting the HTML file being rendered right over there, guys. Now we're getting the HTML file being rendered on our screen. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Are you guys able to understand it? Please let me know. Are you guys able to see this? Are you guys able to understand it, guys? Please let me know, guys. Yes, nothing too difficult right over there, right? Nothing too difficult right over there, guys. Please let me know. Great, guys. Awesome. So let us continue from right over there, guys. Now that we have sent a particular file, okay, we have sent a particular word, we have sent a particular file as well right over there. So this, try to understand, this HTML file is what you always send. You don't send CSS file or something that gets attached at the end itself. You always send the HTML file. That is how it works, guys. So right now what we are doing is, whenever we are getting a GET request, we are sending an HTML file. You can create as many number of websites as possible. For example, let us create another website right over here, guys. That is, we are going to call it as the get and add the /about page. Okay, /about page, and we are going to just use send, not send file, because that's much more easier. I'm going to remove everything from right over here. I'm going to send Shaurya Sinha. We're going to create a contact us page as well. Let us create a contact us page. So about CO on TACT contact, and we are sending a phone number 70345. We are going to save it right over here. So as you're able to see, now we are creating methods that are going to handle the GET request at the root of the website, at the /about us page, and the /contact us page. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. We're able to create like methods that are able to handle the GET request at multiple pages, and we are sending multiple things right over there. Let us go back to our shell. Let us code it. Let us stop this right over here. Let us restart our server. Let us go back to our website. As you're able to see, if I'm going to the / location, we are getting this is the HTML file right over here, guys. If I'm writing /about, about. If I'm writing /about, guys, then we are getting Shaurya Sinha on our screen, guys. We're getting Shaurya Sinha on our screen. If I'm changing it to contact, okay, you're in TACT contact right over here, then I'm getting phone number 70 blah 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 right over here. You can create multiple websites like that, guys. You can create multiple like, you're having the root of the website, and you're having the about us page, the pricing page, the contact us page, and so on and so forth. You can create multiple pages for your website, guys. You can create multiple pages for your website. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please let me know. We are not doing the project today, guys. The project is tomorrow. Okay, today we are just doing some of the basic things. Tomorrow we are going to see project. Tomorrow we are going to learn about a new thing that is called as the post method. Right now we are just learning about the get method, the topic that we were not able to complete, right? Tomorrow we will be doing the project and we are going to learn about a new method that is called as the post request. Not just a get request, a post request, wherein the user is able to enter some data on the front end. Right now you are showing something to the user. Right now you are showing something to the user. Tomorrow what we're going to see is how can we take an input from the user and send it directly to the backend. That here is the backend, use it. Okay, are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. So I wanted to know from you guys that should we have the bootcamp tomorrow at 6 o'clock or should we have the bootcamp tomorrow at 9:15? What time is much more suitable for you guys? Please let me know. Like 6:30 or 6 o'clock or 9:30 itself. Which time will be much more suitable for you? Tomorrow the attendance will not be compulsory. Okay, tomorrow's class the attendance will not be compulsory as well. So if you guys want to come, you guys can come live. I am able to understand the timings have fluctuated. That is the reason why in today's class as well, I'm not keeping the attendance compulsory because the timing changed. I'm able to understand some of you guys might miss out the class as well. I'm not kept the attendance compulsory for both the days. I'm not even taking the attendance on both the days, guys. Okay, so you can attend the class as per your like whenever you are free, but make sure you're attending the classes properly, guys, even though there is no attendance. Okay, are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please let me know. Great, guys. So tomorrow we are going to do the project. Tomorrow we are going to learn about the post method as well. Be very prepared for it, guys. Also, like I've already said, I've provided. So I've told you guys that I asked you guys, you want a boot camp on the clone or not. So this is the Disney Plus Hotstar clone that we'll be creating in the next boot camp, guys. As you're able to see, we will be learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in the next boot camp on 10th. And this is what we are going to create right over there. This is the exact clone that we are going to create right over there, guys. Okay, so that bootcamp is going to start on 10th. The registrations for that has already started. If you are not registering for the bootcamp, you will not be eligible for the certificates as well, guys. So this is the exact same project that we'll be creating on the next particular bootcamp that is going to start on 10th. That is the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the Disney Plus Hotstar clone bootcamp. So if you guys want to participate in that bootcamp, guys, I've already provided you guys with the registration link. Please do make sure that you are able to provide the you are able to complete that registration itself, because without the registration you will not be able to get the certificates. It will be completely free, the same certificates and everything. We are not changing anything right over there. There is no attendance for today's class, guys. You guys can leave. Okay, there is no attendance for today's class or for tomorrow's class as well. I know I have changed the timing, so it is my fault, and I will not make it a burden upon you guys. Okay, just make sure that you, if you are having time, you guys are coming to the class. We'll have the class at 6:30 itself. For those who are interested for the next particular boot camp, I have provided you guys the attendance link right over here. The registration link for the next particular boot camp. Do complete your registration if you guys are interested for the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the Hotstar clone itself. It will be a front end based clone itself. Okay, because HTML, CSS, JavaScript, so a front end based clone itself, guys. So that is the clone that I've already showed to you guys. If you guys want to register for the same, I've already pinned up the registration link, as well as I've provided you guys with the registration link in the live chat. Okay, so the certificates to tomorrow, let the class get over first, right? The bootcamp has not yet been over, guys. The bootcamp is still not over. Tomorrow we are going to have our new class as well, right? Do not forget about that. Could you show the HTML code? Okay, so right over here, this is the HTML code, guys. This is the HTML file that we were, sorry, this is the HTML file that we were sending right now. So this is the HTML code right over here. So it will be great if you guys are participating in the bootcamp. I will love your participation from my end as well. There's a lot I will be learning in that particular bootcamp, guys. There will be no prerequisites. We'll be learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript from the utmost scratch, and the clone will be a front end clone that we'll be doing right over there, guys. Okay. Like I said, guys, tomorrow is the last class, not today. Okay, tomorrow is the last class, not today, guys. We'll be having tomorrow's class. We'll be having the project. There, I will be letting you guys know where you will be getting your certificates, how will you be getting your certificates as well. Okay, so do not worry about it. So I've already provided you guys with the registration link. If you guys are interested, do register for the next bootcamp, guys. Thank you so much, guys. We'll meet in tomorrow's class for our final project, and we'll continue from right over there. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you. There's no attendance for today's class. There's no attendance for tomorrow's class as well. At 6:30, around 6:30, we'll have the class tomorrow. Around 6:30, guys. Okay, thank you so much, guys. It was great meeting, guys. I love you, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye, guys. Bye. 6:30 tomorrow, guys. 6:30 Indian Standard Time. Okay, and do register for the next particular bootcamp, guys. Do register for the next particular bootcamp. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, guys.